Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to take you guys back to my rental property. So I don't have much to do here today because me and my contractor, we just came in here to take an estimate of the things that needs to be done. So we've done that, we've gone through that, actually went to Home Depot to buy some batteries to turn the heat on in the house. So renovation of this house tomorrow. So we'll be here tomorrow in the morning to start renovation. So we have a lot of things to do in here. Let me look for the notebook. Uncle Yusu, do you have the notebook? I think it's in the car. So I have a list of the things that needs to be done in the house. We have to paint the house. We have to change all of the doors in all of the bedrooms. We have to change all of the doors. The basement door needs to be changed. The fireplace needs to be painted. I mean, the whole house needs to be painted. The floor is hardwood floor, so I think we're gonna be keeping the floor. We're gonna be sanding the floor and then staining the floor. We're gonna be putting some cabinets in the kitchen. We're gonna be changing the ceiling, and we're going to be cleaning up the basement, painting the wall of the basement, as well as the floor of the basement. So I will be taking you guys through all of the process. Tomorrow we will be here, and I'll be here tomorrow as well. As you guys know, I work from home, so I'll be taking my work with me here to work from here, from this location. Here's my contractor. He is busy trying to put in... Uncle Yusuf, say hi.
Hi.
He's busy trying to put in the battery so we can start the heat. I've called the heat in light company. They'll be turning it on later on today. So yeah, that's the progress that we're in right now. So in 2 weeks, this whole place is gonna look totally different. So this is how it looks right now. I took you guys through it, I think, a couple of days ago. So this is how it looks right now. And it's gonna transform. He is awesome. He's a family friend, and he does awesome work. He's been helping me fix up all my houses, and when we are done from here, we'll be moving back to Lansing. So yeah, thought I should update you guys on what we are doing. I hope you guys like this very short video, and I will see you guys next time. I will be taking you guys along with me. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button. I and my husband, we are real estate investors. We are located in Michigan, and yeah, if you want more videos like this, if you want to see more of our renovations, click on the subscribe button, click on like on this video, and just comment anything down below. That helps us, and I want to get to 1,000 subscribers by March, so please help and click on the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.